Hi everyone and welcome to Motomondo. I'm Ray. We'll just talk about what I'm doing here first before I get into what I actually want to say. The point of the upload. So this is the lap challenge on Gran Turismo this week. It's one of the two lap challenges, and it's in the Honda Civic. It was a really fun lap. Watch this, look, I nearly hit the wall soon. You'll see in a minute. Watch this, the corner here. Watch this, look. Oh, so close to hitting the wall. I've gone for the million credits. I don't think I've got enough in me to do the 2 million. I'd need a lot longer time, I think, and I just don't have the time to push for 2 million. So yeah, I've gone for the 1 million credit. I think my time's good enough to get that when it runs out, when the days run out. But I might jump back on and have another bash at it and see if I can improve it later. The point of this upload is just to say a massive thank you to all the subscribers of the channel and everyone that's jumped on board over the last few weeks. Massively appreciate it. I have been trying really hard to bring new content to the channel. I've got a lot of content that's saved up, so I am sharing it so I've got a few uploads a week coming. But yeah, massively appreciate it. It's great to now be on the 200 subscriber threshold. Obviously once I've now uploaded this, a couple of people will probably unsub just so it drops below 200. But anyway, regardless, thank you very much everyone. I do appreciate it, and I appreciate your support and for watching the content. And I'll keep going, I'll keep pumping out the videos. I'll say I've got like way more car uploads to share with you, car spotting videos that I've done, and I'm enjoying these time trials, so I'll keep sharing these time trials with you. And yeah, dash cam footage, I've got like one episode a week coming till the end of March. The edits on it aren't fantastic, I've got to be honest. I'm still just kind of messing around with that, trying to get it right, and it's a little bit of a struggle at the moment, and it's mainly because the way I edit footage in general, I would usually use my MacBook or my iPad, but because it's locked content, it ends up causing no end of problems because it doesn't delete off my iPad. So I have major problems with it. So yeah, I have to use my other laptop, and it's a lot more tricky to do. So yeah, we're getting there, and I will try and get on top of that and figure it out, and hopefully just tidy it up a bit and try and keep it around 3 minutes per upload, probably no more than that. So yeah, just remember that, folks, that the dashcam footage especially is for entertainment and observation purposes and is not designed to upset or anger people. And I would politely ask for you to respect what you say. Be polite in the comments, because if you're going to insult me, then you're just not going to be allowed to comment on my channel anymore. So yeah, I take criticism, but do it in a polite way, not in a very rude and insulting way. Okay, so thank you very much everyone, and once again appreciate all your support.